Still a couple of more weeks of winter. That means there's still a potential for some snow.
Well, it's beautiful. It's cold. And you might be thinking of the cleaning and shoveling that you have to do.
Lifestyle and parenting expert Sherry French is joining us with some smart ways to manage the cold weather and have fun with your family. Hello, Sherry. How are you?
Sherry, it's freezing here.
Good. And freezing here. I'm dressed appropriately outside. And yes, you know winter is not over. I've got lots of snow here, but more will be coming. So let's get you prepared.
All right, let's do it.
All right. So this first one, shoveling. My first hack is get your teenagers to shovel. That's an easy one. But here's a great hack. You know when you're shoveling and the snow actually sticks to the shovel, so
Yes.
it gets heavier and heavier? Go into your pantry, grab your cooking spray, spray the shovel head, and I promise you guys, even though my path is clear today, you are going to shovel and the snow will come off every single time.
Awesome.
That's awesome. It's just like spraying the cookie scooper so it doesn't stick.
You absolutely got it. So again, get your teenagers outside, but make sure they spray with the cooking spray first.
Love it.
All right, now we got to find a place for your boots. Yeah, those.
Yeah, so I love to wear these, but I don't like taking them off inside. They're all mucky. And the tall ones, what do they always do? They fall over. So even the tops of your boots get dirty. Well, not anymore. Head to your garage or the dollar stores where I found this one, grab a pool noodle, and just by using a knife or even some scissors, you're going to cut them to the size of your boots, stick them inside, and your front haul is going to look amazing, clean, and your boots at the top are not going to get muddy and mucky.
That is awesome. I love that tip.
I like that a lot. Yeah.
Easy.
Fantastic.
An actual purpose for a pool noodle.
Exactly.
Yes. All right,
right.
so then wet boots. My mother-in-law, when I talked about this hack, apparently has been doing it for 30 years. So you've got other wet boots. You either I put them in front of the fire or even on the floor radiators. Well, find a newspaper. Now that's the hardest part. I found this at the gas station. You're going to crumple up the newspaper and you're going to stick them deep inside of the boots. And what that does is draw all of the moisture out. You don't need to put them in the dryer in front of the fire. And that's going to pull all the moisture and get your boots dry.
That is fantastic as
That's
well.
amazing. I didn't know that. All right, and then
My mother-in-law did.
The mother-in-laws know. Now, this is an interesting thing because we come here, we work through all the storms, and we're all worried about the windshield wipers sticking when you leave, 8 hours later.
Yeah, so this is a great one. You're right. You come out in the morning or through a snowstorm, and your windshield wipers are always stuck, and you have to wait before you can leave as you defrost them. Head into your laundry room. I know you've got some single socks out there that are long. You're actually going to put the socks right over the windshield wiper, leave them on overnight, and when you're ready to leave in the morning, now you have to remember this part, to take them off, and they're not going to stick.
I want to see socks on your windshield wipers,
I'm
Scott.
gonna
I
go
want to
put-
see that.
I'm putting socks on my windshield wipers as soon as I get out of here.
I'm telling you, it works, guys. It absolutely works.
That is fantastic. Love it.
All right, I love this next one. For these cold days, I can't wait to get inside. If you don't want to play outside, make some snow for your kids. So all you're going to need is just a bowl, a spatula, some baking soda. I use about a third of a box. Just dump it in. Go grab Dad's shaving cream. Spray it in. If it's not frozen, like mine is right now. You're just going to mix it up, and in about 30 seconds, you're going to get the consistency of snow. It feels cold to the touch. You can make snowballs. You can make and play whatever you want, but it's great for sensory indoor play, and you're bringing that snow from outside in.
That is also
Very nice.
very, very cool. Very cool.
And now you're going to show
right,
us
and
how
then-
to make fancy whipped cream?
Yeah, so I forgot my whipped cream bottle inside, but this is an easy one. Grab a cake pan, spray, the spray that you usually find Annika taking it out of the can, spray it in, use a spatula to flatten it out. In about 10 minutes in your freezer, it becomes hard. Grab all of those cookie cutters that you have. I've got a snowflake one. You're going to just cut it out, and this is going to go into your hot chocolate, which, like I said, is waiting for me inside right now. And you've got fun whipped cream. You're just upping your game.
That is awesome.
That's
I love
so
that
cute.
one.
I didn't know it only took 10 minutes to freeze. That's pretty quick.
That is
Super
really cool.
fast.
Yeah.
Super, super fast.
Well,
Okay.
thank you, Sherry. We appreciate it. We hope you're having a lovely day there. It looks beautiful.
It is absolutely beautiful. It's just about 20 degrees, so
Exactly.
a little bit chilly.
Okay, thanks again.
Say hi to the Mitten State for us.
See you guys.
All right, you'll find these great hints and many more on Sherry's Instagram page. Just search for Mom Hint.